Welcome back to FOMCS educational videos. Today we will continue introducing more features. Educational video. Creating and managing yachts. Part 2. Now that we have created the yacht details, let us show you other cards of the yachts. Click on the yacht that we have created in Part 1. Next, click on Inventory List. Let us start by selecting Inventory in Exterior Decks and Foredeck. Click on the item or equipment that you want to add, with adding their quantity on the boat. Let us continue adding the rest of the inventory. Sales. Again, click on the item or equipment you want to add. Continue with the remaining inventory with selecting their numbers. After we have finished with adding the inventory, if we click on Other tabs, a notification appears reminding us about unsaved changes. Don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. As for the next card, click on the photo gallery. You can add your yacht's photos from here, either by browsing and selecting them, or by using drag and drop option with selecting one at a time or all at once. You can delete the selected picture from here. Deactivate the picture if you don't want to publish it, or rearrange them as you see fit. You can add your videos of your yacht with directly copying the link from video hosting platforms. And this concludes Part 2. In the next video, Part 3 of the yachts, we will show more cards and features.